Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Kia Sorento Platinum Edition, stock reference number 4469. This shape runs from the 10th month 2009 through to the 9th month 2012. It has a D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light with surround, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor bumper bar with a tow bar cutout. It does have a factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.